Assalamu alaikum everyone. How are you? Let's see to this topic. It is model angles. Now, what's our objective? To understand concepts of angles and angle measurement. Now, let's see first what's the meaning of an angle. It is a geometric shape that is formed when two rays have the same endpoint. What is an angle? When the two rays, they are having the same endpoint. This is the endpoint and this is the ray. One ray and two rays. So, they are having same endpoint. This is called an angle. Now, when I say about the angle measurement, you are going to see this is a circle. In a circle, I have similar to your clock. Let's say this is on the number 12 and this is on the number 3. This is making 1/4 turn. This is making 1/4 turn. Whereas this second circle, this one it's making half turn. This one you see half of the circle is called as half turn. Now the third one is the full turn, which means that it's rotating and coming on the same line. That is called a full turn. Now I will demonstrate it with using my hands. Watch properly. This one is 1/4 turn. 1/4 turn. Whereas this one, the upper side, you see this one, this one is half turn. Whereas when I say the full turn, that means I'm moving around and coming back to the same place. This is called as a full turn. 1/4, half and full. Full. You got it? 1/4, half and full. When I say you draw an angle with less than 1/4, less than, that means this one. This is 1/4 and this is less than 1/4. If I tell you more than 1/4, this is 1/4. If I say more than 1/4, so you have to go and spread. That means this becomes more than 1/4. Okay, now let's do some examples to understand the lesson. And I hope it will be very easy. Let's do it. The first one, it says you to draw an angle with a measure less than. You see properly, read the question. Less than 1/4. If you remember, this is the 1/4. When I say less than, you have to go inside. That means you need to bend this line inside and make it as a less. When I say more, you have to spread outside. More than 1/4. Less than 1/4. Now, this is the center. And I need to make less than. That means this is the 1/4 and I'm making it less than. And this shows the turn. This is important. You need to make the turn. This shows it is a turn. Now, what about the next one? It is draw an angle with a measure greater than 1/4 turn. I need to make a greater turn. This is the end point. I have to make it greater than. Now, this one is the line. When I say 1/4 is here, when I say greater, you need to make it little outside. 1/4 greater and less than, close it. Okay? And this shows the turn. Now, let's see the next one. Draw an angle with a measure half. I have to show half. How will you show half? This is the line. This is the ray, and I need to make, and when I say half of this, it becomes like this, and this one shows the turn. Clear? Let's solve the next one. It is draw an angle with a measure of 1/4 turn. I have to make 1/4 here. This is one ray and another ray, and this shows the turn. This is exact 1/4. I am not saying less than, more than. It is the exact. If I tell you to draw it more than and less than, you have to read the question very properly to make the angles. Now, I hope this was clear to you, and let's go for grading. Now, this is the grading chart where how well do you know the lesson. Starting from 1 to 4. 1, which says that you don't know the lesson and you need to watch the video again. But if you choose number 2, that means you need just a little bit of practice, which is not bad, it's good. But if you choose number 3, which says that you know the lesson and you can do it by yourself, which is great. But if you choose number 4, that means you know the lesson, you can do it by yourself, and you can explain it to someone else, which is awesome. Very good. Now, this is how you model angles. I hope the lesson was very easy. It was very helpful for you, and thank you for watching my video.